Hey everyone and welcome. It's amazing to be here with you all. I am so happy to see some old friends. I have missed you all and I'm looking forward to get to know some new friends too. Thank you so much for joining me here in this space in my own channel, Amazon FBA Giants. My name is Saad Basim and it's an honor to share my Amazon FBA expertise with you. I know how overwhelming and frustrating Amazon FBA can be. I have struggled and recovered, and I have a lot of experience to share to make your journey more successful and less frustrating. In case you're wondering what makes me qualified to offer and advice about Amazon FBA, I'll drop a few details about my own journey and my story. I'm just a regular guy who never had a prior experience in e-commerce or selling on Amazon FBA. I just have the drive and the work ethics to make things happen. By trade, I'm a mechanical engineering technologist and a draftsman. And I just wanted to find something that can give me some free time so I can spend time with my family and with my wife and my little girls. Even when I had that kind of education, it was very hard for me to find a job. I worked in a car wash, I worked in construction, I worked in gas stations, I worked in restaurants and very low jobs with little to show for it. But I was determined to make it happen and make ends meet. Even when I was able to find a job in my field, I was away from my family almost 2 weeks to 3 weeks out of the month, away from my wife and my little girl. So I decided to go ahead and start looking into e-commerce. And I started with Amazon FBA. It was very, very frustrating and was very hard and it was very scary to be able to take that step. But I decided to take that step. So I started at the lowest level of Amazon FBA. I started with retail and online arbitrage, and I worked my way to private label. I did a little bit of RAOA, I did some wholesale, I did some private label, and then I was able to master private label and how to build a brand around it. I have been all around the US and China to be able to teach Amazon FBA with newbies, with beginners, with advanced sellers. I have coached and consulted and mentored hundreds of people, and I had a great success in giving them the right advice to be able to move to the next level. This business is not a business for the weak. You need to make sure that it's a hard work, requires work. It's not something that is a quick get-rich-quick scheme. You need to work hard. It took me, I always have experience of 4 years. And most importantly, I was able to translate my success to my own students or my clients. You can say that I failed my way to success. My first product was a failure, but I learned from it and I was determined to make it happen. And finally, I found the right formula to make things work for me. Enough said about me. I have created a Facebook group and this YouTube channel based on integrity, honesty, and transparency. If you think I sound like a straight shooter, please like this video and subscribe. I look forward to helping you achieve your dreams. Please remember, when you are just starting out and you feel overwhelmed, or if you have failed at anything, you may feel insignificant, but there is a giant in all of us. You just need the courage to find your giant. So thank you so much again, and please join me in our Facebook group and our YouTube channel. Thank you and take care.